This neck is pretty much perfect now.
You feel how hot I am though?
Yep. Cook a pizza on there.
Yep.
Wood oven. Our patient's feeling heat after an adjustment. Why is that? The adjustment has activated the sympathetic nerve system, which is the part of the nerve system that opens up blood flow, among other many things. So because she has some irritation in her neck, this adjustment can do that for her, but that heat is actually a good sign. That means we're working on the area that needs to be worked on. That heat will subside, and that is the path towards her healing.